Home to over 30 beaches and a coastline stretching over 100 kilometers, Ordu is a holiday paradise on the Black Sea. Having been one of the most important cities since ancient times, Ordu is also a port city. Maintaining its popularity since the earliest times, Ordu boasts a long list of places to visit. Ordu's famous cuisine also includes flavors you absolutely must try during your visit. With its remarkable culinary traditions, you can experience the unique flavors of Black Sea cuisine, making your holiday even more enjoyable. In addition to its blue flag beaches where you can enjoy the pristine waters of the Black Sea, Ordu, with its natural beauty, is visited throughout all 4 seasons. Ordu hotels are preferred by those who want to make their Ordu trip more comfortable in both summer and winter months. If you want to take a closer look at the places you should visit during your trip, let's look at the top 10 places we have compiled for you. Our first destination is Ulugol Nature Park. Ulugol Nature Park, located in Gökçe District, was declared a national park to protect its untouched beauty. Having national park status since 2009, Ulugol Nature Park boasts a uniquely beautiful forest with many trees including hornbeam, maple, Scots pine, and beech. Home to 3 different captivating lakes, the park offers every shade of blue and green, along with endemic plant species. While spending time in Ulugol Nature Park, you can go on guided nature walks, spend time at the viewing terrace, and participate in canoe trips or fishing tours organized on the lakes. Located approximately 74 kilometers from the city center, the park can be reached in just 1.5 hours by Gökçe District minibuses. Despite being under protection as a national park, there is no entrance fee. There are accommodation options within the park, with varying prices. Our second destination is Çişeli Waterfall. Ordu is a city that manages to attract attention with its lush greenery and natural beauty. Located in the city of Ordu, Çişeli Waterfall, one of the most well-known natural wonders, attracts attention with its unique views of pure white waters cascading from a height of 11 meters and lush green vegetation. The waterfall, situated in a rock pool filled with ice-cold, white water, is a popular choice, especially for summer trips. Its proximity to the city center, only 25 kilometers away, is another factor contributing to its appeal. You can cool off by swimming in the waterfall, hike along the walking paths, or spend time having a barbecue in the picnic area. Our third destination is Yeşilburnu Peninsula. Located about 15 kilometers from Persembi district of Ordu, Yeşilburnu is remarkable for its rock formations that have been created over thousands of years by natural factors such as wind and waves. One of the most visited places for photography, the peninsula is protected as it is a first-degree archaeological and second-degree natural site. Extending into the inland regions of the Black Sea, the peninsula also features the Yeşil Church, notable for its lighthouse and sunset views. You can enjoy delightful dinners at the fish restaurants located within the Yeşil Cape Peninsula, or experience a unique day trip on the hiking trails. Yeşil Cape hosts cultural and artistic events during the summer months. Considering the dates, you can participate in cultural events or have fun camping on the peninsula. Our fourth destination is Persembi Plateau. One of the most beautiful and valuable plateaus not only for Ordu but for the Black Sea region, Boztepe Plateau is located only 100 kilometers from the center of Ordu. The season, which begins in early spring, continues until the end of autumn. You can visit Boztepe Plateau throughout the season and spend unforgettable days in the Green Valley. A favorite choice for those who want to enjoy pleasant walks among colorful flowers and mountain tulips, Boztepe Plateau also hosts wooden plateau houses, ice-cold streams, and mountain views. With its unique landscapes, it is one of the most popular locations for photography tours. Our 5th destination is Boztepe Cable Car. One of Ordu's most popular tourist spots, the Boztepe Cable Car offers visitors both comfortable transportation and the unique view of the Black Sea at the same time. Departing from the Ordu coast, the cable car line allows you to reach Boztepe, located approximately 530 meters high, in just a few minutes. Watching the deep blue waters of the Black Sea, the lush green slopes, and the Ordu city center from a bird's-eye view during the journey provides an unforgettable experience. Upon reaching Boztepe, you are greeted by viewing terraces, cafes, and rest areas. The view from Boztepe, especially at sunset, offers unique photo opportunities for photography enthusiasts. Thanks to its clean air and peaceful atmosphere, it becomes an ideal destination for those who want to spend time in nature and escape the crowds of the city. Boztepe is also a very popular spot for adventure lovers who want to try paragliding. Our 6th destination is Camas Canyon. Camas Canyon, one of Ordu's centers for nature sports and maintaining its popularity due to this feature, is located 5 kilometers from the Camas district. It is visited year-round for nature walks, photography tours, or extreme sports like rock climbing. It also hosts mountain biking, camping, and mountaineering activities. In the canyon, with its icy waters, you can experience a unique swimming experience among massive rock formations. Boasting a rich variety of fish, Camas Canyon is preferred for both sports and relaxation. Our 7th destination is Hoynat Island. Hoynat Island, located in the Boztepe district, is opposite the Hoynat Tunnel. A small island with no structures, Hoynat Island is a tourist area accessible only by boat. It is known to have been used as a refuge in ancient times. Famous for being the only place in Turkey where cormorants nest, Hoynat Island is one of the most visited natural beauties in the Black Sea region. Hoynat Island, a popular destination for birdwatching and nature photography enthusiasts, is now a protected bird sanctuary. You can spend time on the viewing terraces opposite Hoynat Island or take boat trips. Especially favored by photography lovers, the island is among the must-see beauties of Ordu. Our 8th destination is Ünye Castle. Ordu, full of historical treasures, is also home to Ünye Castle, built in 250 BC by King Mithridates II of Pontus. Hosting a magnificent view and impressive rock tombs, the castle is one of Ordu's most striking historical beauties. The watchtowers and rock tombs, thought to have been built by carving into the steep rock walls, make Ünye Castle a favorite of many local and foreign tourists. Ünye Castle was used throughout its history during the Roman, Byzantine, and Ottoman periods. By visiting Ünye Castle, you can examine the architectural structure and explore its magnificent interior. There is no entrance fee. You can reach Kale from Ordu's city center by public transport. Kale is located 7 kilometers from Ünye district center. Our ninth destination is Çambaşı Plateau. Located in Çambaşı district and within the Gümüşdere village, Çambaşı Plateau is one of the natural beauties visited by tourists. Situated 55 kilometers from the city center and close to the Giresun border, the plateau is visited by tourists coming from both cities. Covering an area of 100,000 acres and located 1850 meters above sea level, Çambaşı Plateau has 72 different settlements. As one of Turkey's largest and most developed plateaus, Çambaşı Plateau offers significant opportunities for those who enjoy adrenaline-filled exercises and activities. The plateau, where various sports competitions are held throughout the 4 seasons, is also noteworthy for the facilities it offers. You can also have the opportunity to experience local flavors in the restaurants located around. Our 10th destination is Ünye Castle. Located only 15 minutes from the city center, within the borders of Bayati village, Ünye Castle is a structure built on a pointed rock and boasts a striking architecture. The castle, protected as a first-degree archaeological natural site, can be reached via 100 ancient steps leading to its summit. Its proximity to the city center makes it easily accessible on foot. Believed to have been built in the 1st century BC, Ünye Castle has been the site of active excavation work since 2010. These excavations have unearthed numerous historical artifacts, including statues of the goddess Cybele and terracotta decorations. You can visit the castle and examine its interior and exterior sections. Restoration work is ongoing in some parts of the castle. We explored Ordu's unique nature, the azure Black Sea views, and its hidden beauties waiting to be discovered. I hope this video has been a helpful guide for those considering visiting Ordu. If you liked the video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss new travel routes. You can also share your favorite places in Ordu or other points you'd like to recommend in the comments. On our next trip, we will continue to explore the beautiful cities and hidden paradises of Turkey together. See you in the next video. Goodbye and keep exploring.